little kid. Fear of the dark, fear of monsters under the bed, and in this case, fear of the ocean.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Aw, good morning, you beautiful people out there. Welcome back. In today's episode, Hailey overcomes her fear of the ocean. The best things about being a parent. You get to hold your daughter or son's hand and you help them make it through life's great mysteries, adventures, lessons. And one that we seem to be doing a lot in this family is what it means to be brave, right? What does it mean to overcome your fear and how do you do that? And you can read about it in a book, you can talk about it, but the best way to learn how to be brave is to go out and do it. Are you afraid of the ocean?
Sometimes when there's big waves, scary sharks, and octopuses.
One of the things that Hailey is the most afraid of, that she struggles with, is the ocean. But as she's been watching her sister more and more learn to surf and go into the water, she's been slowly building her way up to this. And first we got started with skateboarding. And that first day of skateboarding, she pulled me aside and she wanted to talk to me.
Who was afraid of surfing?
Of course they are. But they're also brave, right? And that's what it means to be brave, is they overcome their fear. Not that they don't have any fear.
But not to waves.
Well, you're gonna learn how to surf? That's what you just said. You said you were gonna learn how to surf.
No waves, just surf on tiny waves.
Okay, we'll see what we can do, okay?
Can you find a beach that has smooth water?
I will do my best. Deal. Pinky promise?
Mom, if you can't control the water and to stop making waves, that would be perfect. But no.
I'll have to see what I can do there, child.
We take pinky promises very seriously in this family.
So, Kat, do you want to do surfing? Meow, meow.
Okay, so I'm gonna hold it still and you practice standing up. Go ahead and stand up, Hailey. Go ahead and stand up. There's no wave. Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up.
Ooh, I can't do it!
It's okay, you did it. You did it. For like a split second, you did it. Yes, you did. Push up. There we go. Look where you want to go. Nice, dude. Nice.
Can you push me?
Focus on the board and you.
I got away.
You did, dude. Where you want to go? Alright. Look where you want to go. Look where you want to go. Keep looking. Look where you want to go. Now bend your knees more. Get lower. Get lower. Lower. Stay where you want to go.
I like it.
You find me
Okay, ready? Ready?
Jump, 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 jump.
Stand up, Hailey. Stand up.
Dream that you did to oh why
job, Haley.
Well, I see
That's where you want to go. Ready?
green red roses too. I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Nice, buddy. Okay. Back down.
Well, I see skies of blue, and I see clouds of white, and the brightness of day. I like the dark, and I think to myself,
All right.
what a wonderful
All right, Haley, hold on. There's a good chance you're gonna roll on this
so
one.
pretty in the sky. All of someone's faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking and singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Trouble melts like a lemon drop high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow.
Girls start fooling around, goofing around, giggling like crazy, and the moment that I've been kind of putting off a little bit finally happened. Hailey fell in the water and went underwater. This is Hailey's biggest fear, and when she came up, she definitely was a little scared. She was like, Mommy! Mommy, 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 mommy! I'm like, I'm right here. She grabbed me. Took a second, but she eventually calmed back down. I was so proud of her. And then she got right back on that board.
Give me a thumbs up.
When we first got to Hawaii, we made the absolute mistake of going to a beach. It didn't have a very big wave, but it caught Hailey off guard and whoop, wiped her out. This fear consumed her, but we gave it a lot of time, and eventually we started working her into getting comfortable with snorkeling. Snorkeling went okay. It still had its opportunities.
You want to go back on land?
Okay. Watching her big sister continuously get out there and surf, you could see that Hailey was starting to get really interested in trying to get on that board, which translated into first starting off on a skateboard. You're a little too far to the edge right here, so you gotta scooch your little tushy back that way. Good job. And lo and behold, not long after skateboarding, we finally made it here. Yeah, I think it is. Not bad.
Don't you like it?
Yeah.
Alright. Where you want to go? Look where you want to go. Are you Stand up, Haley. Stand up.